Let's look at another example. This time we're going to do bubble sort. So let's sort the values of an integer array of size 10, and then this is our array. It's a bunch of random integer values. They're out of order, so we're going to try to put them in order from the lowest to the highest. So here's our algorithm. So from we have two for loops. First one iterates through repeat that 10 times basically, and we have a second one that is going to start checking the values against each other one by one. If they're out of order, it will do the swap. So this is how it goes. All right, and then this is where we do the swap when the values are out of order, and then at the end, hopefully, we'll have an array that is sorted. So let's see this in the editor. Bubble sort class where we declared and initialized a nums array of size 10. And before we do the sorting, we would like to print the array and then to see how it looked like. So here we can compile, and again we can say Java bubble sort. So this is what our array looks like now, okay, before sorting. Then I'm going to put my sorting algorithm, and then all right, so hopefully that will work, but I want to actually print after the sort. Okay, so I want to see whether it's correct or not. Then we can talk about how we did the solution. All right, so maybe one print line in between PL. All right, so we're going to try this one more time. Okay, so before sort, this is how our array look like, and this is after sort. So now numbers are in the order. How did that happen? So we have the first for loop that repeat the process 10 times, and then our inner loop actually again started from 0, but 10 minus, it went up to 10 minus I minus 1, because if we're going to make a swap here, we don't need to do swap in here anymore because there's nothing to compare to. So within each inner loop, we check the first element, for example, against the second one. If you notice that they're in out of order, we're going to make a swap. So among this, the highest value in the first inner for pass, the highest value is gonna, just like a bubble, is gonna move up to become the last element, okay? And the reason we're gonna do 10 minus I is because once we sorted the highest one to the last, we don't need to check it again, so to save some time. So again, this is how our bubble sort can look like. If you want to study a bit more, you can stop the video and then look through it more carefully.